mechanical engineering student. And this is my final year project here. Pedal operated washing machine, manual pedal operated washing machine. Now let me just take you around how I got to achieve this. This is the pedal section. This is where you pedal the machine, and it is connected to a bigger sprocket. This is the normal machine sprocket that we all know. The sprocket is connected to a chain. The chain in turn moves the smaller sprocket inside. Now, to increase the number of revolutions that this pedal, one circle pedal will produce, or one revolution, we use something what we call gears. Two sets of gears, a pinion gear and the other part of the gear. Now, both of them are in mesh in the sense that the bigger gear is in ratio 2 to 1 to the smaller gear. Sorry, 1 to 2. Now, once the bigger gear moves once, in turn moves the smaller gear twice. And the bigger sprocket has 42 teeth and the smaller sprocket has 14 teeth, in turn ratio 1 to 3. So if I move this one once, the washing tub gets to move 6 times. Now, speaking of the washing tub, this is the door to the machine. This is the washing tub here. The washing tub lies inside the reservoir. It has a door of its own. Once you open it, you can see it's perforated. And these are 3 hubs that was constructed in order for you to move the clothes while inside. So once it's inside and you pedal, it gets to move. This is the door and this is the lock. The reservoir doesn't have any lock, and it is constructed in a way in which it is equal distance from each side. This is the frame. It was made by iron bars that made it possible for the body to be solid, well structured. This is the handle for both sides, and this is the outlet. This pipe or this hose was fixed in order for it to prevent water from flowing. A principle of pressure, relative pressure. So whereby the hose is up, it is used to. We can also use to know the level at which the water is. If the water is half of the machine, the mark here gets to be somewhere here and all that. And this is the angle of variable lengths. As the case may be. The angle is kind of weak now. Just so it doesn't break while you're trying to do it. The reservoir can contain like up to 5, 6, 7 clothes at a time. You can look at it from here. It can contain 5, 6, 7 clothes at a time. You might be wondering if it would wash or not. We have a cloth here that we use to demonstrate it. A cloth we use to demonstrate it is here. This is a lemon cloth. Lemon colored clothes. Now I'll add a sense of people that will help me stain lemon colored clothes. You know it's clear, huh?
Alright, it's okay. It's my duster.
Okay, everyone wants to stain lemon colored. Okay, this is lemon colored clothes, and this is what we are going to use to paint. But alongside this, we are going to use other clothes to aid proper revolution. Yes. These are the clothes we are going to use. But first, you have to pour some quantity of water. You might ask, what quantity of water would we need? This is also the detergent. Okay. So, we would pour the water in it now. What quantity of water do we need? This is a 10-liter water. Just pour it inside. Yes, 10 liters. You might feel the water is not enough. You can just add additional 5 liters to it. In case you might feel it's not enough. This is a 5-liter bucket. Small bucket. You can just add 5 liters to it. And when we feel it's enough, you can fill the water here. We're good to go. You can just add maybe a handful of detergent to pour all the clothes. This is our clothes we are going to use to test. We'll test how it gets clean gradually. Will it get clean?
Yes.
I think it will get clean. So we're dumping all the clothes in it. Let's pass me the clothes. Pass me the clothes.
Can I wash my uniform?
Us do more than one thing at a time. You can get to wash your clothes. You can get to exercise yourself. bicycle, what do you call it again?
Ergonometry.
Bicycle ergonometry. Aids in helping you with muscular problems and as the case may be. You can just keep on cycling once you gain the stability. Come have a look. You can do it both ways. Machine whereby you can pedal, exercise and then wash your clothes, and also you can keep on chatting. Slow with these legs. You can see I'm chatting, washing my clothes, and I'm also exercising my legs. So it's really awesome machine. But you can very efficient for everywhere, anywhere. Even if you have electricity in your area, you can use this machine to work out and also to wash your clothes to use your electricity.
Shout it out, I can't hear a word you say. You're talking loud and saying criticize, but all your bullets ricochet. Shoot me down, but I get up.
To a minute we wheeled.
No, I'm not sure it was up to a minute.
It wasn't up to
It
a
wasn't
minute.
up to a minute at
A little bit different.
Yeah, definitely.
Now,
Yes.
I would say if you wheel for like 2 minutes.
It will be way cleaner than this.
Sure, it's wood.
Yeah.
Sure. That's just to prove how efficient this machine is. You can keep on wheeling, but you just find it that this is very, very efficient. You don't need electricity. You don't need anything. You may say, I'm too tired wheeling, but when you keep on wheeling, it's not very, very hard wheeling. And any other thing that, in case you have any question, please like tag on that. Or you can follow me on Instagram. I am Jeffrey, or I am Walidi, or as the case may be. But you can also come up with any idea that you think that can support this product as the case may be, so as to improve the efficiency for future purposes. Alright, bye.
Wow.
It's you who have further to fall. Ghost town and haunted love. Raise your voice. Sticks and stones may